Hello, Jim's brother. The container 40 feet GP arrived. And have a look inside. It's empty now. And we're going to load the following equipment: the 3 meters screw, the 3 meters auger with yellow color paint. And this is the auger steel frame, and this one is 2 meters pallet conditioner with belt drive. This is the electric motor for the pallet conditioner. Inside of this conditioner is like this. And this one is the new 22 kilowatts pellet machine with a oil pump, input hopper, and this is the electric control panel for 22 kilowatts pellet machine. And this is the frame for a pellet conditioner, 2 units. 2 units frame for pellet conditioner. Okay, and these are 20 units dust collector, 20 units, 10 units, 220 single phase, and 10 units, 380 three phase.